Hello, welcome my students, how are you? Today we are going to talk about lesson 4, forming the quadratic equation whose two roots are known. We will complete question, okay? Question number 22. If L and M are two roots of the equation x power 2 subtract 3x minus 1 equal 0. Find the equation roots about form the equation whose roots. The first was 3L minus 2M and the second 2L minus 3M. First we know L plus M equals 3, negative coefficient of x, and L product of M equal negative 1. So we can find the sum. It's reversed to the sum. Okay, first and the second. The first 3L minus 2M plus 2L minus 3M. It will be 3L plus 2L equal 5L, negative 2M, negative 3M, negative 5M. We can write 5 out, parentheses, and the result L subtract M. We know L minus M equal what? L minus M equal positive or negative. Okay, he won't he gave us L was more than M. It's okay, so the subtract between L and M will be root of b power 2 subtract AC over A. It was L minus M. It's okay, L minus M. Can you see it? Okay, it was L. I will clear it here. L minus M multiply 5. It was the sum. 5 multiply root of b power 2 subtract AC over A, because it was subtract between L and M. He give us L more than M, so we will write the positive. The result will be positive, so we will cancel the negative, and then we can find the sum. 5 multiply root of b power 2 about here, b was negative 3 will be 9, subtract 4 AC, 4 multiply A equal 1, multiply C equal negative 1, negative multiply negative positive. Okay, over A equals 1 equal 5 root of 9 plus 13 4 equal 13. It was the sum. So the sum is reversed to the sum will be 5 root 13, and the product equal first and second 3L minus 2M multiply 2L minus 3M in parentheses. We can find the result. 3L multiply 2L equals 6 L power 2, 3L multiply negative 3M, negative 9LM, negative 2M multiply 2L, negative 4LM, negative 2M multiply negative 3M equal positive 6M power 2. We can find the result about 6L power 2, 6L power 2 plus M power 2 in parentheses. Negative 4LM, negative 9LM equal negative 13LM. We can simplify that. Write 6 here. L plus M to power 2 subtract LM, 2LM. Subtract 13 multiply LM. L multiply M equal negative 1. Negative multiply negative equal positive. Positive. And write divide 13, and we can find the result about L plus M to power 2. L plus M was 3 power 2 equal 9, subtract 2, multiply LM, negative, multiply negative equal positive, 2 plus 13 equal 6, multiply 11 plus 13, 6 multiply 11 equals 66 plus 13 equal 79. Okay, so we can write the equation. It refers to the equation. Okay, equation will be x power 2, subtract the sum was 5 root 13, x, and the product was 79 plus 79 equal 0. Okay, this is the equation. It's easy for you or not? You must know all the step. لازم يا شباب نكتب الستيب دي كلها ونذاكرها كويس. خلاص، ناخد بالنا انا عملت ايه او احنا اشتغلنا ازاي في الاكزامبل. انت عندك تبقى عارف ان ال ماينس ام لازم تكتبها كده روت بي باور 2 سبتراكت 4 اي سي اوفر اي. اوكي، لازم تحفظها. وكمان لازم تحفظ ان ال باور 2 بلس ام باور 2 اللي هي ال بلس ام 2 باور 2 سبتراكت 2 ال ام. دول ايه اللي احنا اشتغلنا بيهم في الاكزامبل. اوكي، وبعدين كونا بقى الايكويشن بتاعتنا بمنتهى السهوله وطلعت معانا. يعني ده كويشن كان معانا اللي هو 22. هنشوف بقى 23. اوكي، question 23. It's clear about you. Question 23. If L and M. Question 23. If L plus 2 and M plus 2 are two roots of the equation, question I will write again here. Question 23. L plus M, L plus 2 and M plus 2 are two roots of the equation. X power 2 subtract 11 x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, x power 2 subtract 11 x plus 3 equals 0. Finds the equation whose roots L and M. We know L plus 2 plus M plus 2 equal 11. You know that because L plus 2 and M plus 2 are two root of the equation. So the sum, it was the sum. Okay, the sum will be L plus M plus 4 equal 11. So L plus M equal 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 equal what? 11 minus 4 equals 7. So L plus M equals 7. And the product between, B refers to product between two roots, L plus 2 and M plus 2 equal LM, L multiply 2 to L. We will distribute L about to another parenthesis, LM to L plus 2M plus 4 equal, we know, L plus M. Okay, can write 2 out parentheses here, hide common factor between two terms, and the result L plus M plus 4 equal L multiply M. But we know L multiply M or no, don't know, because he don't give us L multiply M, so we can find L multiply M about this equation. L plus M equal 7, so we can write 7 here, multiply 2 equal 14, plus 4 equal what? It was the product. Again, L product between them was 3. Okay, it was 3. About the equation. This equation product about two roots will be 3 and the sum will be 11. So we can find LN equals 3 subtract 14 plus 4 equal 18. We will moving it by negative 18. The result will be negative 15. It was L product M, so can write the equation about whose roots are LL, R and L. So the relation will be, or the equation will be x power 2 subtract the sum 7x and negative 15 equal 0. It's okay or not? Okay. It's very easy. You must write all steps after or with me to understood. It was question 23. It's very easy. Okay. Question 24. It was 23. Okay. Question 24. (24) 24 if L plus 3 and M plus 3 minus 5 x plus 11 equals 0. We know L plus 3 plus M plus 3 equal 5. L plus M plus 6 equal 5. So L plus M equal negative 1, and the product about two roots L plus 3 multiply M plus 3 equal 11. So LM plus 3L plus 3M plus 9 equal 11. LM plus 3 multiply L plus M plus 9 equal 11. Plus 3L plus M equal negative 1 will be negative 3 plus 9 equal 11. So LM plus 6 equal 11. So L plus or LM will be 5. We have LM and L plus LM equal 5 and L plus M equal negative 1. We want to find we have L plus M and L multiply M. So we want to find the equation out to root L power 2M and the second M power 2L. We know the sum equal L power 2M plus M power 2L. We can write LM out here. Height common factor between two terms. The result will be here L and M. We know L multiply M negative 1 multiply L plus M equal 5. The result will be negative 5. And the product between two roots L power 2M and M power 2L equal L power 3 M power 3 equal negative. We have L and M here 5 125. So the equation would be x power 2 subtract negative 5 would be positive 5x plus 125 equal 0. It was the equation. Again يعني شباب احنا هنا جبنا اول حاجه the sum between two roots اللي هو قال عليهم جداد اهم. احنا استفدنا الاول بالتو روت اللي هو جابهم، طلعت منهم ال بلس ام وال ملتبلاي ام، واستفدت بيهم بقى في الايكويشن الجديده اللي انا بكونها بمعلومات the sum and the product. الsum جمعتهم طلع معايا نيجاتيف 5 والبرودكت طلعت 125. وبعدين جبت الايه الايكويشن كتبتها. تمام. تعالوا نشوف اللي بعده question what. Question 25. ركزوا معايا يا شباب. 25 L if 1 over L and 1 over M are two roots of the equation. Equation was x power 2 subtract 3x plus 1 equal 0. We know 1 over L plus 1 over M equal 3, and 1 over L product 1 over M equal 1. So 1 over Lm equal 1 and Lm will be 1. And what about that? We can write this common multiplication about derivator ln m. We can do cross m plus L equal 3, and we know L multiply m equal 1. 1 times 3 equals 3, so m plus L equal 3. We have L plus m and m multiply L. It's okay. We want to find form this equation whose roots we have two roots, Lm minus 7 and second L plus m plus 3. Okay, we want to write new equation about two roots. I will write it here. First was Lm minus 7 and second was L plus m plus 3. It was the first equation, a root, and the second root. We will find the sum between them. Lm negative 7 plus L plus m plus 3. L m equal 1. Negative 7 plus L plus m 3 equals 3. Okay, see, we can cancel the L1 and L plus m equals 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 6 plus 7 or 1 minus 6 equal negative 6 plus 6 equals 0. The result will be 0. It was the sum, and product about two root, the first root and second root. Lm minus 7 multiply L plus m plus 3. We know Lm equal 1. 1 minus 7 equal negative 6, and L plus m equal 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The result will be negative 36. So we can write the equation x power 2 subtract sum 0. We'll cancel that and write the product behind it. Negative 36 equals 0. This will be the equation. Okay, it was question 25. Question 26. If L and M are two roots of the equation, x power 2 subtract 2x minus 5 equal 0. We know L plus M equal 2 and Lm equal negative 5. You want to find or form equation whose roots, the first will be L power 2m, it's the first root, and the second root will be m power 2 plus l. First we know the sum equal L power 2m plus m power 2 plus l. Okay, again, write it again. Reading with me. L power m plus m plus m power 2 plus l. We can simplify it. Okay, L power 2 plus m power 2 plus m plus l. M power 2 plus m power 2, we can simplify it. L plus m to power 2 subtract we cancel it. Okay, we will cancel it or write the result about L power 2 plus M power 2. We will write L plus M power 2 subtract 2LM. Okay, and we know M plus L equal to, we cancel it and write 2. L plus M equal to 2 power 2 equal 4, subtract 2 multiply L multiply M, negative 5, negative multiply negative equal positive, 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 2, the result will be 16. It was it was the sum, so the sum will be 16. Okay, the sum will be 16. We want to find the product, so the product between two root, where two root first, it was the first and it was the second. The first root and the second root, the root 1 and this root 2. Want to find the product about root 1 and root 2. Okay, look at it with me here. The first was L power 2 plus M, L power 2 plus M, multiply the second M power 2 plus L. We can multiply L power 2 multiply M power 2, L power 2 M power 2, L power 2 multiply L was L power 3, M multiply M power 2 M power 3 plus M L. So LM, we know LM was negative 5. Negative 5 power 2 equal 25 plus L power 3 plus M power 3 plus ML. We know ML was negative 5 and L power 3 M power 3. We can find L power 3 plus M power 3. Okay, the result will be 25 minus 5 equal 20 plus L power 3 plus M power 3. I will complete it here. Pay attention with me about this step. Okay, we will write 20 here, 20 plus L power 3 plus M power 3 equal 20 plus, you can write parentheses. I will solve it where I will cancel it, solve it. Okay, we give the sum, I will move it, cancel it, write the product 20 plus L plus M I want to find the result. How is this? We know the product. I will complete here. Okay, you must stop the video and write all these steps and complete with me. We know L plus M, we can factorize of it. L plus M, a cube root of first and cube root of second, L power 2, L power 2, M power 2, subtract LM. Okay, it's clear about you. L plus M, we know L plus M was 2. L plus M was 2. 2 and L power 2 plus M power 2, subtract LM. LM negative 5, negative times 5 negative equal positive. So we can write 20 plus, it was 2, multiply the result about this, L plus M to power 2, subtract 2LM plus 5. Okay, 20 plus 2 times L plus M to power 2, L plus M, we know L plus M equal to 2 power 2 equal 4, 2 LM, LM was negative 5, multiply negative 2 will be positive 10 plus 5, the result will be 20 plus 2 times 14 plus 5 equal 19. It's okay. Result will be 20 plus 2 times 9 equal 8, and 2 times 1 equal 2 plus 1 equals 3, 38 plus 20. 38 plus 20 equal 58. Okay, it was the product, so the product will be 58 and the sum was 16. واضح يا شباب؟ الستيب مهم جدا تكتبوا الستيبس ده وتذاكروها كويس. خلاص، تعالى بقى نكتب الايكويشن ونخلص الايكويشن بتاعتنا. خلاص انت جبت السم وذا برودكت النيو روتس الجداد اللي هو طالبهم. So we can write the product 58 and the sum 16. So the equation x power 2 subtract the sum where 16x plus 58 equal 0. Okay, question 27. If 3 over L and 3 over M are the roots of the equation x over 2 subtract 12x plus 9 equal 0. We want to find or form the equation with the new root. We know 3 over L plus 3 over M equal 12, and we can simplify that. L multiply M and M multiply 3 multiply L equal 12. We can find 3 out here, M plus L over L multiply M equal 12. We can divide it by 3, so M plus L over L multiply M equal 4. It's a first equation about the sum, and we know product about 3L and 3M equal 9. So 9 over LM equal 9, then LM equal 1. LM equal 1. It's okay. LM equal 1, and we can write it here. Let LM here 1. So M in this equation, we solve it here about this equation. Okay. M plus L over 1 equal 4. So M plus L will be 4. خلاص, it's okay. We have L multiply M and M plus L. And you want to find the new equation with new two roots. The first will be L1 root 1 equal 1 over L power 3, and second root was, بصوا يا شباب، احنا كده جبنا L بلس M وانتوا لايم. عايزين نعمل بقى الايكويشن الجديدة اللي هو طالبها مني. مستوعبين كده؟ انت جبت L M، انا همسح بقى ده كده خلاص عشان نكتب الجديد، بس تبقى عارف بقى مسجل معايا. خلاص، انت دلوقتي جبت مين؟ ال M، عرفت ان ال L M ب1 and L plus M ب4. خلاص، تعالى بقى نكتب الايكويشن اللي هو عايزها بالتو روتس الجداد. التو روتس الجداد مين عندي؟ والله في 27 انا عايز اجيب بدلالة 1 over L3 and second root 1 over M power 3. نجيب the sum equal 1 over L power 3 plus 1 over M power 3. هنعمل ايه؟ هنعمل هنا cross L power 3 multiply M power 3 وهنا M power 3 plus L power 3. تعالوا نكمل كده يا شباب. خلاص تعالوا نكملها تحت هنا. m باور 3 بلس l باور 3 over l باور 3 m باور 3. نكمل هنا يا شباب. l بلس m نعمل فاكتورايز ضد السيبريشن قدامي. l باور 2 m باور 2 نيجاتيف lm over lm باور 3 equal lm 1 باور 3 equal 1. l plus m 4 multiply l باور 2 plus m باور 2 subtract lm. Right, 4 l power 2 plus m power 2 will be l plus m to power 2 subtract lm. We know lm was 1, right? 1 here over 1. We can cancel all this here and write 4 multiply l plus m to power 2 l plus m negative power 2 negative 2l. Again l power 2 negative lm plus m power 2. Okay, I will write it again, negative lm. Come, pay attention with me. Write 4 here. l power 2 plus m power 2 l plus m power 2 subtract 2l m minus lm equal 4 l plus m to power 2 l plus m 4 that will be 16 negative 2 lm lm 1 1 times 2 equal 2 minus 1 equal negative 3. The result will be 4. 16 minus 3 equals 13. The result will be 3 times 4 equal 12. 20 care of 1. 1 times 4 4 plus 1 equal 5. The result will be 52. So it was the sum, and we must find the product. B reverse two product about two roots, 1 over l power 3 and 1 over l power 3, 1 over lm to power 3 equal, we know lm equal what? Like lm equal 1, lm equal 1. Here we find lm equal 1. Okay, and l plus m equal 4. We will complete here lm 1 to power 3 equal 1. The result will be 1. So we can write the equation x power 2 subtract the sum. The sum was 52. 52x plus 1 equal 0. It was question 27. It's okay. Question 28. Question 28. If the difference between two equations of the roots, it was C, okay, is 11. So L, I will write here L minus M equal 11 over 6. He gave us this information. First we can moving in C by left hand side equal negative C equal 0. It's okay, and it was a constant. So we know L minus M equal positive or negative p power 2 subtract 4ac over 2a over a, sorry, over a. So we can find L p power 2 49 subtract 4 multiply 6 multiply 1 minus c all divided by 6, and L minus M equal 11 over 6, we can cancel 6 by 6, and 11 will be positive or negative root of 49 subtract 24 1 minus 3. We can power 2 here and this 2 power here to cancel the root. So 11 power 2 equal 100 and 21 equal 49 subtract 24 multiply 1 multiply c. 121 subtract 49. 11 minus 9 equal 2. 11 minus 4 equals 7 equal negative 24 times 1 plus 24c. Okay, because negative multiply positive equal negative. Okay, we write 49 here. 49. We moving it. Okay, it's true. We moving here by left hand side, and the result will be negative 24 plus negative multiple negative positive 24c. We can moving negative 4 by left hand side equal 2 plus 4 6, 7 plus 2 equal 9 equal 24c. We can divide it by 24 and this 24 cancel that, c will be 2. Okay, 24 over 4 equal 4, because 4 times 24, 4 times 4 16, 6 carry up 1, 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9, so c will be 4. It's okay. Okay, question 29. There is a difference between two roots of the equation 3x power 2 minus 2x plus c equals 0. The difference between two roots equals the difference between roots of the equation and then second equation 2x power 2 subtract cx plus 3 equal 0. Okay, first we will find L subtract M above this equation. Okay, and the next step we can find the difference between the roots another or second equation. اوكي يعني شباب هو جاب لي equation وقال لي الديفرنس هنا بيساوي الديفرنس هنا between two roots، فاحنا نجيب الديفرنس في الفيرست والديفرنس في السكند ونساويهم مع بعض ونعملها equation ونحلها عادي. خلاص تعال نحل مع بعض كده. يبقى L minus M هنا احنا عارفين ان هي root b power 2 subtract 4ac over a. So L minus M equal positive or negative b power 2 b negative 2 to power 2 over 3 b negative 2 equal 4 minus 4 multiply 3 multiply c over 3. So the result will be positive or negative 4 minus 12 c over 3. It's about the first. Okay, and what about the second? Second, I will solve it here. Okay, it was the first. First relation about difference between L and M. And we have another equation. It was 2x. Another equation 2. It was equation 1. Equation 2, 2x power 2 subtract cx plus 3 equals 0. Okay, L minus M here equal positive or negative b power 2 subtract 4ac over a. B power 2 c negative c power 2 equals c power 2. Subtract 4a, a was 2, multiply constant 3 over 2. Okay, the result will be positive or negative c power 2, subtract 8, 4 times a times c, 4 times 2 times 3 equal 6 times 4 equal 24. It's relation number 2. We know it will be equal. Relation 1 and relation 2. Then we will write first equation 4 minus 12c over 3 equal second relation c power 2, subtract 24 over 2. We will write power 2 all parentheses here. The result will be 9, and 4 subtract 12c, 3 power 2 equal 9, 4 minus 12c equal c power 2 subtract 24 equal 4. Okay, we can multiply by 36. 36 divided by 9 and 4. Multiply 36, or equation. 36 divided by 9 by 9 equal 4. 4 multiply parentheses 4 times 4 equal 16. يعني شباب احنا قلنا 36، شايفين كده؟ عملنا multiply 36 للليفت هاند سايد ورايت هاند سايد عشان نكنسل ال 9 وال 4. فقلنا 36 divided by 9 equal 4. 4 times 4 16. 4 times 12 equal 48. C equal 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 9 times c power 2 equal 9 c power 2. Subtract 6. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 9 times 24. So we can write 9 c power 2 plus 48 c, moving here, and negative 9 times 24. 4 times 9 equals 36. Write 6 and take up 3. 2 times 9 equal 18 plus 3 equal 21. We were moving 6 by left hand side. Negative 16 equal 0. 9 c power 2 plus 48c, negative 6 plus 6 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, and write 2 equals 0. كده نكون اثبتناها. هو عايزها اصلا خلاص. ده البروف بتاعنا. يبقى احنا كده خلصنا يا شباب الاكزامبل اهو، بعد ما وصلنا للصورة اللي هو عايزها طلعت معانا لوحدها كده في الاخر. تمام، هو مش عايز اكتر من كده، عايز يثبت ده بس. كنا رايحين بقى نكمل ونحلل لو كنا عايز مثلا فاين ولا فاين سي، لكن هو خلاص قال لي اثبت الريليشن دي، فاحنا هي طلعت معانا في الاخر اهيت مظبوطه من غير اي حاجه. تمام كده الستيبس واضحه. حاولوا تذاكروا يا شباب، الستيبس مهمه جدا. It's okay. Okay, another example. We will solve question. Another example. Question 30. Question 30. If the difference between two roots of the equation x, equation 1, x power 2 plus kx plus 2k equals 0. the difference L minus M equal K negative K, and question 30, reading again question 30. If the difference between two roots equal twice the product of the equation. Okay, first we will write L subtract M about this equation. Positive or negative b power 2 subtract 4ac over a. Positive or negative b power 2 plus k power 2 subtract 4 multiply a 1 multiply c equals 2k over a 1. So L minus M equal positive or negative k power 2 subtract 8k. خلاص. It's the first relation. He told us the difference between two roots here twice where question 30 twice the product of two roots. Okay, we will find the product about two roots in another equation 2 x power 2 plus 3x plus k equals 0. We know L product M here equal k. We won't find the product, so from relation 1 and relation 2 we will write all this relation twice 2 first twice second. So k power 2 subtract 8k equal k, and write twice again. شباب عند relation 1 relation 2 relation 1 twice قدها مرتين twice ضعفها، فتبقى بعد ما اجيب relation 1 تقول 2 multiply relation 2 اللي عندك اللي طلعتها اللي هي بk، وتحلها بقى عادي تعمل باور 2 left hand side و right hand side، تبقى اديك هنا 4k باور 2 وهنا تبقى k باور 2 subtract 8k. هتعمل ايه بقى؟ هتنزل او تودي دي بعكس الساين، يعني نيجاتيف 8k كده equal هنوديها بعكس الساين ماشي، او تعمل equation تعملها equation عشان تبقى عندك result 2. يعني انت هتوديها يا مستر مفيش مشكلة، ممكن نوديها يا مستر هنا تبقى عندك k باور 2 minus 4k باور 2 subtract 8k equal 0. ممكن ان احنا مستر نعملها simplest، يبقى k باور 2 subtract 4 يبقى negative 3k باور 2 negative 8k equal 0. we can find the negative k كده coefficient بره، يبقى عندي 3k plus 8 equal 0. يعني عندي اما ال k هتبقى ب0 first equal 0 or second equal 0. 3k plus 8 equal 0، لان احنا عندنا هنا مستر ممكن نوديها بالساين بعكس 3k equal negative 8 so k equal negative 8 over 3. يبقى احنا عندنا في هنا two value ل k، يا اما k تبقى ب0 or هتبقى negative 8 over 3. تعالوا نشوف الكويشن اللي بعده شباب question 31. نحاول ان شاء الله نخلص النهارده، ده الفيديو التالت، نحاول نخلص فيه باذن الله. اهم حاجه تكونوا بتكتبوا ورايا يا شباب عشان تستوعبوا. question 31. If L and M are two roots of the equation 4x power 2 subtract 8x plus c equal 0. L and M are two roots. طيب اوكي L plus M equal 8 over 4 negative negative positive equal 2, and we know L product M equal C over 4, and they give us L power 2 plus M power 2 equals 7LM. You want to find A 31 4x power 2 minus 6x plus A. انا قلت اللي بعدها. طيب اكتبها تاني يا شباب، سوري ركزوا معايا. question 31 4x power 2 subtract 6x plus A equals 0 and L power 2 plus M power 2 equals 7LM. ماشي، ده اللي هو جابه ايه في الاكزامبل واحنا هنحل على اساسه. خلاص. طيب نقول ايه؟ بما ان اول حاجه سينس L plus M احنا عارفين يا شباب طبعا دي ريليشن هو جابها، هنستفيد بقى في الحل طبعا عشان في الاخر نجيب الايه هو عايز ايه. طب انت عارف L plus M بتبقى نيجاتيف coefficient of x divided coefficient x power 2 تبقى 6 over 4 equals 3 over 2 and LM equal A over 4. طب احنا هناخد الريليشن دي يا مستر ونشتغل عليها، نطلع منها ريليشن يعني نقدر نستفيد بالايه اللي جابهولي. equal 7 هنا نقدر نعمل فاكتورايزر او نقدر ان احنا نعمل ستيب يا شباب. واضح كده؟ هنيجي هنا على الريليشن دي ونفكها. L plus M to power 2 subtract 2LM equals 7LM. We know L multiply M and L plus M. L plus M equal 3 over 2. We will write 9 over 4. Subtract 2LM equals 7LM. We will moving here negative equal 0 and the negative 2 negative 9 negative 7. Negative 2 negative 7 negative 9 LM. Okay, we simplify it. LM equal where A over 4 9 multiply A over 4 equals 0. So we can cancel the 4 and 9 subtract 9A equal 0, so A will be 1. A will be 1 because we will moving by left hand side and divided by 9, A will be 1. It's okay, it's very easy. Question 31. Okay, question 32. If L and M are two roots of the equation x power 2 subtract 8x plus C equal 0, and we can write L plus M equal 8 and L product M equal C. He give us relation about L power 2 and M power 2. L power 2 plus A power 2 equal 40. Find the numerical value of C, then form the equation. Okay, we can find L plus M to power 2 subtract 2LM equal 40 and L plus M equal 8 to power 2 equal 64. Subtract 2LM equal C, 2C equal 40. 64 subtract 40 equal 2C. 6 minus 4 equal 2. 4 minus 0 equal 4 equal 2C. Can divide it by 2. C equal 12. So C will be 12. And form is equation whose roots L power 2. So L multiplied M will be 12. Because L equals C. We will complete it. You want to find the new or form the equation with roots R1 L power 2M plus M power 2L and R2 root 2 يعني يا شباب was LM. طيب احنا عايزين نعمل equation لده. طب ما بسيطة يا مستر، ممكن هنا ناخد ال LM هتكون فاكتور برضه، ويبقى من هنا L ويبقى من هنا M، صح؟ جميل. وهنا احنا هنعوض بقى ال LM كانت ب 12، وهنا multiply 8 اللي بلس M بإيه، نعمله multiply يبقى هنا 60 96 دي ايه؟ يبقى انت جبت من هنا ده روت 1. فاهمين؟ تعالى نجيب روت 2. روت 2 اللي هو كان ال ام اللي هو كان 12. تعالى نجيب الايكويشن او الاكس باور 2 subtract sum between 96 and 12 وهنا نسي جنبها، وبعدين نعمل بلس. هنجيب هنا الروت 1 والروت 2 ملتبلاي، يعني تقول 96 ملتبلاي 12 بس. يعني انت هنا جبت الروت 1 فاليو يعني ايه، وهنا روت 2 تقدر تجيب البلس بتاعتهم وتجيب كمان ايه البرودكت عشان تعمل ايه الايكويشن. فاهمين؟ يبقى ده كان صم، ده كان صم، وكان ده برودكت. بس خد بالك انت بتكتب هنا نيجاتيف قبل الصم، ماشي؟ طلع بقى الريزلت عادي خالص هنا. وكمان دول لما نعملهم ملتبلاي هيديني 1152. تعالوا نشوف question 33 آخر question معانا. If L and M are to resolve the equation x power 2 subtract 4x minus 5 equals 0. We know x multiply x power 2, 5 times 1, right, negative and positive. So the first root will be negative 1 and the second root will be 5. We have two roots, so L plus M equal 4, sum between two roots, the first roots and the second roots. And what about L product M? L product M equal negative 5. And we know L minus M equal, because it will be L and it will be M, because L more than M. L minus M, L 5 minus positive 1 equals 6. Okay, so we can find the relation from equation R1 L minus 7 equal L was 5 minus 7 equal negative 2. This is the root 1, and the root 2 equal 2m power 2 plus 1. We know m negative 1, 2 multiply negative 1 to power 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the equation will be x power 2 subtract product about negative 2 and 3 equal negative 6. It will be product, right? Negative 6 here about product, and the sum will be 1, right? negative 1 of x. Okay, يعني شباب في الاكزامبل ده الفكره بتاعته بسيطه جدا، انت تعمل بس فاكتورايزل خلاص، يعني عشان ما تتلخبطش وتخش في متاهات. اول ما يجيلك اكزامبل مش هتطلع، لو عملت بقى خطوات تانية كتير هتتعب قوي في الاكزامبل. اول حاجه هتلاقيه يقدر انت تعمل فاكتورايزل على طول، طلع منه ال والام، قال لك ال اكبر من ام يبقى ال تبقى 5 والام تبقى بنيجاتيف 1، بس ده المطلوب منك. فتيجي تعوض بقى في الروت اللي هو جايبه من غير صم ولا بلس ولا اي حاجه. امسحها كلها بطريقه سهله خالص. دي هنسميها ال، ال هتبقى 5 والام هتبقى بنيجاتيف 1. تيجي بقى للتو روت اللي هو عايزهم. الفيرست كان ال ماينس 7 ده الفيرست، والسكند كان 2m باور 2 بلس 1. تقوم معوض بقى مكان ال اللي هي 5 minus 7 بنيجاتيف 2، يبقى الروت الاولاني كان بنيجاتيف 2 and الروت التاني 2m باور 2 multiplied m. خلاص معايا كده يا شباب، يبقى 2 plus 1 equals 3 اهو. تعالى نجيب بقى الصم، هيطلع ب 1 with the product B refers to product. اوكي B product between first والسكند يبقى نيجاتيف 6، وتعمل بقى الايكويشن بتاعتك تبقى x باور 2 subtract، يبقى الايكويشن بتاعنا شبه زي ما احنا متعودين بقى، يبقى x باور 2 minus the sum اللي هو ال 1 دي تبقى نيجاتيف 1x، وهنا البرودكت بنيجاتيف 6، كل ده بإيكوال ايه؟ 0. تمام كده نكون خلصنا لحد 33، خلصنا جميع التمارين يا شباب. اتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا، وربنا يوفقكم دايما. متنسوش تدعوا لنا بالشفاء، ربنا يعافينا ويعافيكم ويوفقنا ويوفقكم، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.